Oh, here we go. Plumbing repair, check. So once I found the leak on the inside, I'm like, it's going to be best to do it from the outside. And got my side swiper, start removing some of the siding. There was no Tyvek paper and pull off some insulation. I noticed the wood was rotting. Let the client know that we might have to need to address that. We will need to address that actually because it's already started settling. You can see the outside corner had already started crumbling. Once I realized laying there like, oh yeah, it's already settled a lot. Nonetheless, that's going to be a different contract. Finish this and get paid. Right? Started at about 10 o'clock. 10:30, I was in there cutting it. I found the little slit that busted. I was wanting just to repair that. So I had 2 couplings and a small piece of copper. Type L, blue only. I don't do no red. And I ain't got no press. You can buy me one. Or if enough of y'all subscribe, I'll buy one. Haha. Sweat what I can first, so I ain't got to be too much heat in there. But I'm good with that torch. Directional trowel. I ain't burning nothing. You hear me? Directional torch. Talking about trowel. I'm thinking about towel. Nonetheless, wrap it up. Go turn the water on. And shit, doggy. I didn't. It was still leaking. It was tight in there. It was hard trying to hold the torch and the solder. Right? So, sweat that off. Went to the store to get some more couplings. And then I realized I really went to go get a shark bite because I'm like, I ain't got time for this shit. But I went to go get some more couplings. And then I realized they had a 12 and a 6-inch coupling, 5/8 outside diameter. I'm like, let me get that. I bought the 12. Because what happened was I couldn't get all the water out. Any moisture, you ain't sweating shit. So I had to cut the pipe back a little bit further so I could push it down and get all the water to drain out so it wouldn't be any moisture to get it to sweat back on. Then put the siding back. Go inside, start making my cuts because I got to repair the tile and the shower, different posts. Because the first plumber couldn't find the leak. He just started cutting shit open. That ain't how you do it. Nonetheless, I found it. Put it back like I found it. Just like I found it. That's how it was, all right? Client was happy, satisfied. They would just want the leak. Again, we're going to have to come back probably this weekend. I need to pull all that off to see. I got the video in reverse, I guess, here. But I did pack the shit out of it with insulation. And what the comments say, insulate the shit out of it. So some R19 and some foam. Stuff the R19 in between the joists and then put the foam on the bottom and then put some more R19 on top of the foam and then put some more foam on the outside, box it in like a cooler. You hear me?